Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, a realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip again, this week, most kids are going back to school. My kids are going back to school tomorrow. Natalie has it, and I have a Stager's Corner tomorrow, based on, where you're gonna have your work outfit, like your office or workstations, and how to keep them neat and orderly. But today's home tip is, again, for going back to school. Now that everything is kind of starting up again, whether it's sports or dance or other curricular activities, you might have math club, things just get busy starting in the first week of September. And if you don't have any organization within your family, you're not going to know where everybody is, and it can just lead to a lot of fights. It happens in our family all the time. So what I would suggest doing is having a dry erase calendar that everybody can see everybody's activity. Everyone has their own color pen, and you say if there's certain days you need to be, going to dance, whether going to hockey, going to baseball, etc. You put it in the calendar so everybody knows, and the time frame, so everybody knows what you're doing and when. It helps cut down, double booking on things and leading to a lot of frustration. So if you have somewhere where it's actually visible by the whole family, it's easier to organize your days moving forward, because yes, this week things get really busy, and it doesn't get much easier once all the activities start to come into play. If you're like our family as well, we do have a digital one. We all have an iPhone, so we put it into our calendar, but sometimes it's better to have the calendar right in front of you and you can see it, and then next month you can erase it and start all over again. But I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you have any tips you want me to talk about, I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day. Bye for now.